Welcome. Completing sentence. We work hard so that we may live. They are so lazy that they cannot shine in life. Though he is poor, he is honest. I have a nice car which is costly. I saw a man who was a doctor. It is high time we went to bed. He speaks as if he were mad. If you read more, you will pass the exam. Had I seen him, you would have told the news. Unless you try hard, you would not shine in life. Walk fast, lest you should miss the bus. No sooner had I reached the station than the train left. He was too ill to stand. Wait here till I come back. It is high time the government help the poor. All that glitter is not gold. It is I who have done the work. He pretends as if he knew everything. I wish I were a king. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক ও শেয়ার করে সঙ্গে থাকুন। ধন্যবাদ।